Hello guys, welcome to yet another video, and today I'm going to show you that how you can create your own websites using Google Sites itself. So now Google Sites offer you different like templates using which you can easily create what you want to create, but I would like to prefer the blank account so that I can have more like ideas of my own and create a better website. So I'll just start with the black one. However, you can go with team, project, help center, etc. etc. So let's just begin. Okay, so the user interface is pretty basic. It's not like very hard to explain, or it's not like very complex, so it will be easy to understand. Now the first thing we'll see here is that this your page title. Now when you click, now when will you will select this, you will see that the setting type is pretty much like the MS Word, and it's really cool. However, the text font I want is not this. This look better but bold. Okay, so now this looks pretty good. And if you want to adjust your title, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hold this bar and you're gonna shift them to like reposition your text. And now I'm just gonna add this. Well, anyhow, the second thing you want to be like concerned about is your site name. Of course, your site name is one of the most important things. Now you can add logo here. Just click on add logo, and you can like upload or select logo from either from the Google itself or some of your picture. So I'll just select on upload. I will just select pictures, and I'll just select uh, this. That's it. This. Okay, so this looks pretty good, and okay, so that is my logo, and I can enter the site name like I should call it like funk.gg. This looks pretty good. Anyways, now here is a very fun feature that many people might ignore because it's very small visibly, but this feature is really good. Now you can actually change the background image properties and the theme just by clicking right here. Just click here, or you could directly go to themes as well, but anyways, just click here for the easy access, and now you can go down, and then select like what kind of themes you would want. Now if you want a custom theme, you can just you can just go to this plus sign and then create them. Now create a theme. I'll have to add a name. Name will be funk itself. Okay, so name funk, add logo, add a banner image. Okay, and upload it. Okay, next. Now create a theme. Now here you can actually select the colors. For example, for me, I would like to use these color sets. And next, create a theme. Titles and headings. This is like a font type, so the font I'm gonna use is this looks pretty basic and classy too. And for the body text, I'm gonna use Courier New, and then I'll click on just create theme. Okay, so this looks pretty sick. Now there are still things that you can do with this site. So to do them, just go to insert tab and then click on text. Right here, anything, slam that like what I'm okay, so that's it. What I'm gonna do now is I'll just shrink it down a little, and I'll set it all the way here. Yes, and also there are options like button, divider, spacebar, spacer, YouTube, map to like improve the user experience. So I'll just click on the button and insert button name Instagram, and the link will be instagram.com, and I'll just click on insert. Okay, so this is the button right here. I can actually add the button even like here. I want to like add this text here. Okay, now this looks pretty good. Oh, sorry, I forgot to the title. So the title is decided let it rest here. Anyways, now what we're gonna do is there are still many things that you can do with this website. Like you can add maps, you can add docs, you can add slides. The one more thing that I'm going to show you, that if you go to pages, what are you going to see is that you can create like pages and pages and pages and pages, but I'm not going to create any kind of page. I'll just go to insert again, and one thing I'm going to show you is this embed. You can embed something from web with the help of URL or from embed code. Now let's say I embed like youtube.com, insert, and this is embedded. Now let's say if I don't actually want to embed youtube.com, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go to like YouTube and search of the channel name, and then what I'm gonna do is just copy the link, just copy the link of the video. I'll just embed it right here. I'll just delete it. So in the insert tab, what you're gonna see, guys, is there is an option called embed, which is really cool. And in modern times, we really need features like that. Okay, so I have entered the URL, and this is how it will show right here. Now just click on insert, and let's see how it works. Okay, so that's how it shows. You can control the size if you think that size is compromising from the theme. Don't think that, because no one's gonna read a theme that big. Well, a little bit broader. That's it. No, not that's it. Yes, this. And now what I'm gonna do is I can still add some text here, and I can add the text here, and I can write anything I want to write here. For example, I just write that please subscribe to my YT right here, thank you. And I want to like increase its size to like 18 and like 18, and that's how you actually make the basic sites from the Google Sites itself. However, there are still that you can there are still things that you can do. For example, these are all options that you can do, but for the beginners, this is like really cool. And now what you're gonna do is like publish it, custom domain, make it easier for people to visit your website, blah blah blah. Who can view my site? Anyone new search site, request public display my site. Well, I'll just publish it, and it is publishing. So that's how you create a website from this. But if you want to like check if this is actually working or not, what you're gonna do is you will just have to copy the link and paste it in the new browser or new tab. Okay, I've pasted it, and to see if the button is working, I'll just press here. Okay, so button is working, and the video video
Yeah,
is
that
working as well, so it's a success. And thanks for watching the video, guys. If you want me to make more tutorials on different things, just let me know in the comments, and thank you.